Sa loob ng halos 4 na dekada, sinamahan niyo kami sa paglipad ng Mekeni. Kayo ang naging susi ng ating tagumpay. Kaya naman ngayong araw, kayo ang ipagdiriwang namin. Together we have reached incredible milestones. We've earned prestigious awards and certifications, proving our commitment to quality and safety. We've expanded our facilities and embraced innovation to continue delivering products of the highest standard. We've implemented programs that reduce our environmental footprint and uplift our communities.
Manufacturing will embrace innovation through adopting new technologies and streamlining our workflows. Quality is not just a goal, but a standard. Every product we create reflects the dedication and skills of each member that brings to the table. We will be a team that takes pride in our work because what we do matters. Our products go beyond the walls of this factory and into the hands of our consumers who rely on us. That sense of purpose will drive us to do better each day. Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng manufacturing, maraming salamat sa inyong dedikasyon at pagsisikap.
Our CSLM team, they represent how employees Mekeni family are in caring not only for the people inside, they extend their care to our customers and everyone else. And it's something, again, to be proud of, that they are worth commending. Because of great teamwork, wherein our whole supply chain that encompasses procurement, encompasses logistics, warehouse, and even our finance team, because of great teamwork, communication, and drive for excellence, we are being commended by our partners. We wanted to be better, and we wanted to strengthen the process. We wanted to streamline everything with the help of each one. Just like what Lolo had said, his goals became successful because he put his heart into it. And that's what our people did. They put their entire heart to it. I don't want to be emotional, but to be honest, the success of Mekeni is because of our people before, even currently, and I'm very sure and confident also in the future. We are very proud of them, and they are very much appreciated.
Ako po si Efrey Dalos, 20 taon po dito sa Mekeni, sa CSLM as a driver. Bilang driver, pagtapos ko po yung mga anak ko, yung mga college po sila, mayroon pang magna cum laude, kaya malaking pasasalamat po ang maging trabador ako ng Mekeni. Maraming salamat po sa maibinigay niyong oportunidad sa akin bilang isang empleyado. Maraming salamat po sa Mekeni, kay Tatay Felix, sa kanyang mga anak, sa mga naging manager namin, at sa lahat ng kumpanyang nagkakakilala po kami.
We broke limits and grew together. We've improved our existing products and developed new ones that cater to the diverse preferences of our consumers.
We are very excited of the future of Mekeni. Napakarami pa natin pwedeng gawin kung pare-pareho at sama-sama tayong magsisikap towards one goal, towards the goal of our company. Marami pa tayong ma-achieve as a company. To the marketing team and the other departments that collaborate with the marketing team day in, day out, you are the reason why we are where we are now. So thank you so much for everything.
Through our distribution model, we continued to grow nationwide and fostered partnerships with customers in general and modern trade.
As we expand our reach nationwide, our success is driven by the dedication of our team. Ang kanilang commitment sa pagbuo ng mga magandang ugnayan ay di lamang nagpalakas ng ating existing customer base, kundi nagbigay daan din para madagdagan pa ang ating mga makabuluhang mga partnerships sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa. Through their customer-first mindset, we continue to grow ensuring that every product we bring to the market reaches the people who matters most. And thankful ako for my team, very supportive sa vision namin to really develop our distribution network, improve our profitability. Doon ako happy. And sales team, thank you very much for doing that. And I believe marami pa tayong mararating.
And we are available in more than 15 countries already. For this year, we were able to bring our McKenny brand to Japan. You can see in Don Quixote retail outlets the McKenny Picnic Hot Dog and McKenny Longanisa. They can experience and enjoy the taste of home, the taste of Pinas. Your efforts made it possible for us to extend product lines so that we can meet more markets and strengthen our international distribution. Alam niyo, marami na tayong pagsubok na naranasan, maliit man o malaki. Pero kayang-kaya natin bilang isang buong pamilya. Sama-sama tayong bumabangon, nangangarap muli, at patuloy na tatahakin yung pinapangarap nating tagumpay. Hindi lamang para sa ating sarili, para sa kumpanya, kundi para sa ating pamilya at sa lahat ng mga tao na umaasa sa atin.
Ako si Roylan Canda, 30 years nang nagtatrabaho sa McKenny. Sa ngayon, isa akong raw meat section head under Warehouse Management Department. Actually, very proud ako mula sa isang maliit na grupo hanggang maging world-class brand. Masaya ako at naging bahagi ako ng journey na to. Sabi nga, merong mga mahihirap na pinagdaanan pero nandito ngayon, nakikita namin yung progress or success ng company. Napaka-proud ako doon. Isa sa sabihin kong parang tumatak sa puso ko or sa isip ko, hindi ko makakalimutang salita ni Tatay Felix. Sabi niya, ang tagal ka na namin inaabangan, hinihintay na magtrabaho dito. O parang feeling ko, yung pagiging kapamilya, nandun na kagad eh. So, yun lang hindi ko makakalimutan, a word from Tatay Felix.
We put you at the heart of our mission to help.
Sa McKenny, tayo ay isang pamilya. Kaya gaya ng isang pamilya, nais naming ipadama sa inyo ang aming kalinga at pasasalamat sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang projects and activities para sa lahat.
Ako po si Ronel Canda, 30 years na pong nagtatrabaho sa McKenny bilang lead man dito sa WMD Spare Parts. Nagsimula po kami base 1 pa lang hanggang pinagawa yung bagong planta ng McKenny. Proud po ako na kabilang sa McKenny kasi McKenny, one big family.
We continuously strive to make a positive impact in our community. Ngunit hindi naging madali dahil dumaan tayo sa iba't ibang pagsubok. But just like how we overcame those crises, we stood together as one family. We rose above the challenges. Sa kabila ng mabigat na responsibilidad at mga hamon na ibinigay sa atin, tayo ay buong pusong nag-alay ng oras, talento at dedikasyon. Hawak kamay na tinahak ang landas tungo sa tagumpay. For almost 4 decades, we have shared victories and built a legacy that is all because of you.
As we reflect on our journey and milestone, I am truly grateful for each of you. Thank you for your unwavering dedication, passion, and hard work. Your commitment has driven McKenny to new heights, making us one of the most successful food manufacturing companies in the Philippines. Kayo ang nagpalipad sa atin patungo sa tagumpay, at kayo rin ang magdadala sa atin sa mas malayong tagumpay. McKenny, let's go global. Okay? You are McKenny, and we are a family. Dakala salamat kay Kayungan.
Now, as we welcome 2025, new challenges await, new heights to conquer. We will rise faster. We will aim bigger. We will fly higher. Together, we will soar beyond borders in unity.